Okay. What's up, guys? This is John. Oh, mother. Okay. Bad start.
Fail.
What's up, guys? This is John with Butters My Crypto. Welcome to all the new subscribers that we met at the Litecoin Summit. This is a great example of what we do in this channel. We're about to do some live technical analysis on Litecoin, Dogecoin, and HEX coin. I don't know if you heard of HEX, but it's another popular, some might consider meme coin. I don't consider it that. I consider it a money-making coin. But here's Crypto Poppy right here. Can you introduce yourself to the new subscribers?
Oh yeah, everyone at the Litecoin Summit knows me. So I'm just here. I do the technical analysis. I bring the, like Jonathan was telling everyone, bring the brains to the channel.
Exactly. I'm the producer. I'm just in charge of putting everything out there. And yeah, welcome, guys. Hope you guys enjoy our content. We'll be putting out more content as the days come on. So on today's episode, we're going to cover live technical analysis on Litecoin first. We're going to move on to Dogecoin, and the last one will be HEX. In the future, if you want to give us some coins that you want us to look at, comment them down below. Subscribe to the channel, please. Like this video, and let's get started. Okay, let me get out of the way. Let me move out of the way. I'll let you know. Let's see. All right, go ahead, dude.
Okay, so for, again, all the new subscribers, we typically stick to the high time frames. We'll stick to the, right now we're on the weekly. We'll do the monthly time frame, but mainly we stick to the weekly, daily time frame if we want to get the precise trend lines going. So again, we're here, Litecoin paired with the US dollar, the weekly time frame, data coming from Coinbase. So let's just zoom out and take a look, see what we're working with here. So you could see the trend lines. I have them all, arrows pointing to them where the trend lines are touching, the touch points for the trend lines. The yellow Fibonacci is the big overall Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. Then we have a Fibonacci extension from most recent swing high to this exact same swing low as the yellow Fibonacci. Then if you could see, if I zoom in, adjust the charts a little bit, we have this red box of resistance currently that goes all the way back here to December 4th, 2017. It acted as resistance again here in 2019. Then again on the way up, it acted as support, resistance, and now we're crashed through it. So it's a historic level of support and resistance, which we're currently underneath, so we are calling it resistance. So current price point from Litecoin, you could see here, it's retesting our breakout levels from early to mid 2020. So from here, really, I just expect us to start going upwards to, maybe touch this 236 level of the white Fibonacci extension. But really, I'm eyeing the red box of resistance around $120 up to about $126. And really, once we get above that, then we could start calling for our yellow Fib to get retested at the 61.8 at $270. But we really do. All eyes need to be on the $120 level for Litecoin specifically. And again, remember, this is on the weekly time frame, so it does take time to play out. So if we could just zoom in, adjust the chart, and just really look. I mean, it's just been, we've been going down since May 2021. We've just really been going downwards. Our second touch point of the trend line is here, November 15th, 2021. And we really haven't retested it since then. So first point, we would want to look to break out of the trend line, to break above it. Let me adjust the chart so we could see it a little bit better. We would want to come up, retest the trend line, break above it, maybe touch the 236 at $103, maybe retest the trend line before we start breaking to the white 236 around $200. So, I mean, Litecoin to me looks like there's nothing but upside. We could get the measuring tool out from current price to retest the trend line would be 50% gains to retest the red box of resistance at the bottom, 126% gains. To retest the 61.8 would be 273% gains with very minimal downside for Litecoin. I mean, there still is a lot of downside. We could go to the $31 range, $30 range, strong support there from current price. That would be, a significant loss, but with the upside potential, it's just unreal. So next coin, we will go from Litecoin down to Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is currently pumping. So crazy. Ooh. Dogecoin is up 50% in the past 24 hours. So we'll look again here. Dogecoin paired with the US dollar, weekly time frame, data coming from Coinbase. So, I mean, this might be a place where Dogecoin gets rejected. We might close below the 236 level. So if we close below the 236, we'll probably retest this trend line next week before just blowing up to the 61.8. So let's just look at Dogecoin. We have it drawn from this swing high of 35 cents to the swing low here of just about 5 cents, just shy of 5 cents. So, I mean, we've just been moving sideways, consolidation, and now Dogecoin went for it. We straight pumped through the trend line. We have one touch point here on January 10th, 2022, second touch point April 4th, 2022, and third touch point here of April 25th, 2022, and we finally broke above that. So this is Saturday at 1 p.m., October 29th, 2022. So the weekly candle is going to close tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So as long as we close above the trend line, I mean, nothing but upside for Doge. If not, it's probably going to look like these: pump, rejection, close below, pump, rejection, close below, pump, rejection, close below the trend line. So as long as we hold above and close above the trend line, nothing but upside. And let's measure that. So from current price up to the 61.8 would be another 90% gains. So that would bring us to the 24 cent range. Mm-hmm. And with Doge, we know it could keep up these 50% movements. Yeah. It could do this on a daily basis. So really with Doge, nothing but upside. But again, you want to watch tomorrow, Sunday, the 30th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and just take a look. Are we above this trend line? Are we above the 236, or are we below both of them? Just to see really where we could go. So Dogecoin again looks nothing but great. Let's look at the daily time frame just to look at it. Let's zoom in to see. Man, that looks good. My God, and I am not a fan of Dogecoin. But really, I mean, people are going to start calling it, oh, it's a cup and handle formation on the daily time frame of Doge. How did you not see how bullish this was? But really, I mean, here at this point, prior to, the 17th of this month, you would not be calling a cup and handle. You probably would have called this a cup and handle fail. Cup, handle, fail. Cup, and we finally are breaking to the upside. But on the daily time frame right here, daily time frame, each candlestick represents a day's worth of trading. For today, we want 4 more hours to stay above this 236 level at 12 cents to remain extremely bullish. So again, Dogecoin looks good. Let me stick it back on the weekly time frame, adjust the chart. So when we come to it next time, and now lastly, Jonathan's favorite.
Oh, yeah.
HEX paired with the USDC this time. We're not doing the market cap. So you could see HEX is fresh. We really haven't done anything on HEX. HEX looks good. Looks very bottomed out. We could draw Fibonacci. Let's do it from this level here. So I'm looking at this red candle here. I'm looking at the top of the wick on December 27th, 2021. I'm going off to the side just so I can properly draw it. And we're looking for a bottom point. Is it this wick here on June 13th, 2022? Or is it this little green wick here on September 19th, 2022? I like the September point a little bit better. And just drag it out, click. We'll lock it into place. And let's just look at it. Let's see what HEX is doing. So HEX looks good. We have our swing high here on December 27th, 2021. Second point is here, September 19th, 2022. And I mean, we're just staying here. We didn't quite retest the 61.8 here at these levels in May of this year, early May, before just getting rejected. So I'm expecting HEX to at least go for it. I mean, it's already moving. So from current price to the 236, that's 120% gains. Beautiful, double your money and then some. To the 61.8, where I would assume HEX should be going, 395%, excuse me. And just by looking at HEX, I mean, it looks like it could do that in a very short amount of time. It would be right back up at the 61.8.
Maybe like 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, if that, I could see just these candles straight going up for it. So let me look real quick, see how in the past 2 weeks it is up 70%. So in the past week candle, I should say it's up 70%. So Dogecoin, I mean, HEX, to me, it's just like Dogecoin. HEX could really go for the moonshot. I mean, I don't see why not. You know, it's been so bottomed out for so long, and HEX, once some volume runs into HEX, this is what you see. You see HEX pump, retrace, and then just moon. What do we have here? I can't even see it because it's in the way. You know, 350% gains in 4 bars. So in 1 month, you'll get 350% gains. That's really what HEX does. So I just see this as it's just loading up. A 70% movement in 1 week for HEX, it's just loading up. Loading up. Let's look at the daily time frame just to see how HEX looks. Zoom out. Let's adjust the chart and just look at it. You could see here from our swing high, came down, bounced around, came down, tried to retest before coming back down, moved sideways. We didn't retest the 61.8. A full retest of it. So I feel that the 61.8, that has to get retested. And if we zoom in and look at those daily candles, I mean, this wick needs to be retested here on May 7th, 2022. This green wick here, May 15th, 2022, needs to be retested. So let's get our drawing tools out here, our rectangle tool. And I'm looking at the top of this green candle to the bottom of the top of the candle body, I should say, to the top of the wick. Just extend it out a little bit more and adjust our chart. I still have to extend it because this is where I see us getting retested at some point. Let's just do this. This green wick right here on May 14th or May 15th, 2022, that wick needs to be filled. All wicks always get filled. So for HEX specifically,